Ever found that startup sound on your Xiaomi device a tad too loud or just want to keep things silent? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you exactly how to disable that boot sound hassle-free. So let's get started, shall we? First of all, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Next, scroll down a little bit and tap on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again and tap on Additional Settings. Here you will find the Play Audio at Startup option. Just toggle it off and your phone will boot silently and not ring when starting up. So guys, that's how you disable boot up or startup sounds on any Xiaomi phones. If the video was useful, smash that like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because we have got more of them coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.